Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quiz in Gemini. To begin, simply open Gemini and type a clear, concise prompt. For example, you might say, create a 5-question quiz about world geography. Be sure to specify the topic, the number of questions you want, and the types of questions, such as multiple choice or true/false. This initial prompt is crucial for guiding Gemini to generate the quiz you envision. Once Gemini provides the first draft of your quiz, take a moment to review it. You can then ask for refinements, like changing a question or adding a new one. For instance, you might say, make question 3 harder or add an explanation for the correct answer to question 2. This iterative process allows you to tailor the quiz perfectly to your educational or entertainment needs. To make your quiz more engaging, consider adding interactive elements. You can ask Gemini to provide immediate feedback after each answer, telling the user if they were correct or incorrect. Additionally, request a scoring system at the end, perhaps showing the user their score out of 10. Ensure the quiz is well formatted, with clear numbering for questions and distinct options for multiple-choice answers, making it easy to follow. For the best results, always be as precise as possible with your initial instructions to Gemini. The more detail you provide upfront, the better the output will be. Don't hesitate to experiment with various question types, like fill-in-the-blank or matching, to see what works best. Finally, always take a moment to review the entire generated quiz for any inaccuracies or areas that could be clearer before using it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.